actually makes me feel gross eating this because I'm thinking of it like as if I'm eating like a meat. Snails eat slugs. Will seagulls eat you? Seriously, he's getting so close. Just, you can have the scraps. Just relax. No, 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 no. He started coming towards me. It's this one. It's this guy. Okay, I don't know what he's doing. I know this one's gonna like attack me soon. Oh my god. No. Step back. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, okay. Oh, there's so many of them. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I paid so much money for this. I think we gotta leave it. Oh no, we gotta leave it. No. There goes my chicken. So fun. Ah, they're psycho. Anyways, I closed the lid on it, so I don't think they got it. Oh my god. I love that for me. I think I gotta leave it because they're just swarming the area. Oh my god, they're going nuts. Oh, I didn't even finish it. I didn't even get close to finishing it. Oh, I'm so sad. I spent like $7 on that. What the fuck? I've never had this experience with seagulls, you guys. That was fucking wild. Oh my god, those people saw me getting attacked and nobody helped me. They're just surrounding the area. They know there's food inside. They're just trying to figure out how to like get into it. I really was trying to like... I should have at least kept the wet napkin. Then I could have wiped my phone. Oh. You're supposed to... No, I tried to fight them, but they all came at me at once. I don't think you guys understood how many of them came at me. Do I go back and like put it in the bin? That's what I'm thinking of doing, but then I'm really scared because like there's a lot of them and they're all in the area. Fine, you guys. Alright, I'll go back and chuck it in the bin. There's like tons of them. So frustrating. Oh my god. See, they're still there. They're all like swarming the area. Oh my god. Oh my god. Jesus, Father. Oh my god. Oh my god. How am I supposed to get my chicken when they're all in the area, you guys? This is a really traumatic experience right now. You guys. This is what you get for eating their cousin. Jesus, oh my god. They're literally like a pack of thieving wolves. There's too many. You guys don't understand. I regret buying this chicken. If they swarm at me, I blame you guys. You know, there are people that we don't. Oh, they're really scary. Oh my god, my hands are dirty now. Oh my god.